La 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 la. Huh? What's that? Oh, Doobie, what are you doing there?
Nothing.
Doobie, it's not raining.
I know. I just don't want to look at the sun.
Why?
I don't know. I am just not happy. I am blue. I am angry. And I don't know why.
Well, do you want to be happy again?
What's that?
First, put down your umbrella.
Let it go!
Let go! No way! You let it go! Now, let the sun shine in!
Wow! It's warm!
Feel the warm sunshine and smile.
No, I can't. I can't smile.
Just try it. Smile.
Smile.
Smile and laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Louder, louder.
Doobop, you're funny.
Doobie laughed. See, you can laugh.
Yes, I feel much better after laughing. What are you doing?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Kids English School.
Kidstalktalk.